So here I have 3 monitors and 3 PS3, and there's some problem with this one. I need help with it. I need help. So as you can see, I have a HDMI cable connected to PS3 1, and then I have a DVI HDMI converter. But however, it doesn't seem to work even after I reset it. Let's try this again. Now it's off. Hold until it beeps the second time. It's reset, right? Let go. You see, nothing happens. Now I pull the plug on the back of this monitor. I think this isn't good for the computer. I mean the PS3 nor the monitor, but whatever. And I put it into this other Samsung monitor I have. And here's the button. I just change it to DVI. And see, I get this. But why don't I get this on this monitor? Can anyone help? Thanks.